G'day, Rudy here. Welcome to Australia's most comprehensive, regular gold and gold miners update. Thought I'd claim that until someone says I don't. Anyway, so gold. So we're looking at the daily chart here. Gold USD, just sideways. As you know, the story is the longer it consolidates, the bigger the move. So that's fine. Unlike his little brother Silver's having a bad time at the moment. About the only thing I can think that's positive is he's forming a bit of another cup and handle within the bigger cup and handles. But still more bullish on silver than gold. Once he gets going, anyway, we're on gold today. So gold in Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar's weakening against a stronger US dollar, which is obviously good for Aussie dollar gold. So that pennant's squeezing. Fun one, gold over Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's having a bit of a wobble lately, but gold's been outperforming since 14th of August. Okay, on to... so we'll start with the ETFs. So GDX, I'll go to weekly now because it's a bit easier. Okay, so this is the GDX in America. It's same. Just there's more history here, but you can see we're at resistance back to the 2011 levels. So there'll be a bit of wobble. GDX over gold. So this is the gold miners over the gold price. So still undervalued. We've got the rounded bottom. So we broke the trend line. So a pullback is nothing. So we've got the miners ETF. Okay, so that's having a nice pullback. I think anything around there this week is a good buy if you're not in it. So this is GDX, the Australian version. Then we got GDXJ. So this is the US based one, and there's a few of them now. That there's the GOE, the GOX. It's meant to be an explorer, the next level down from GDXJ, although it's got like Remelius in there, so they're not really explorers. There's another one, G-Bug, which is sort of a combo of senior, mid and small. And had a subscriber ask me to add LSX. So LS, I don't like listed. It doesn't mean I'm right, but I don't like listed investment companies a lot because you don't really know what they've got. Unlike an ETF, you can look under the hood and go, oh yeah, they're the shares, and so you're sort of betting on the people in the know that they're going to do the right things. And anyway, it's on a bit of a downtrend at the moment. So I find the best way to compare these ETFs is to a ratio. So you can invest in the GDX like the Australian version or LSX. So this is GDX over LSX. You can see there's a bit of a range that goes on, but at the moment GDX is outperforming LSX. It's a good one for you pure Australian only miner investors. So this is our Australian gold miners index over the GDX, which is your global miners. So at the moment, the Australian gold miners are outperforming the GDX. You just got to, but this index here, XGD, is obviously heavily weighted to Northern Star. The GDXJ over the GDX. So GDXJ, a bit of underperformance. GDXJ over GOE. It basically trades in about a 6% range, so there's There's not much different really. And the same as GDXJ over GBug is about a 4% range. But they're all in gold, so it doesn't matter. So just going through the global miners, so Newmont at the highs, Wheaton having a bit of a pullback, royalty company, Franco consolidating at the highs, the world's most cost-efficient gold miner, they say, Agnico just consolidating, Barrick at the highs. So it's yeah, they're all just consolidating at highs. Anglo Gold, bit of a pullback, and Kinross just at the highs. Okay, so now on to our local miners. So Alkane having a bit of stall at this resistance level, but it's had a nice run, so a bit of just consolidation would be good for it. Black Cat pulled back this week, but got a nice rounded bottom. Bellevue, geez, this, when they sort out their issues, I reckon this thing's going to run, but not yet. Capricorn looking nice, just consolidating there. Catalyst, so at the higher, so a bit of consolidation would be good. Evolution's getting its giddy up, it's good to see. So that looks nice. Emerald, so yeah, that's fine, just consolidating there. Gore, oh, that's the, you know about that one. Genesis, so Genesis is moving nicely up there, trying to get above that trend line. Horizon, forming another one of these bullish declining wedges there, so that, and on support. Newmont we've done. So the big fella, the king, he's got himself above resistance, so he's ready for his next leg up. OBM, it's having a crack at this 76 level. I don't know what's going on. Pantoro, so that just needs to take a breather. Pru, trying to, just consolidating, trying to get above the trend line there. Remelius, so it's broken through, consolidating, next move up. Regis, it's good, it's got above the line, the trend line, consolidating. So they're all waiting for that pennant to break in that gold price, and they'll go. Resolute, it's just better without the risk. St. Barbara, that looks like she wants to pop too. Nice rounded bottom. We're going to let the Papua New Guineans join our army. That's good. Okay, so Volt. It's got two declining wedges there. That's fine. Consolidating. WAF. Yeah, looks good. Westgold. She's already starting to go. That's a bullish sign that it's already starting. Okay, and I've got a few small producers. People send me in. Aeris. So they're a copper gold producer. Looking nice. Consolidating there. Auric Mining, doesn't look, needs a bit of giddy up. Kaiser Reef, another small producer, I don't know why, I don't know, they must be high cost or something. Anyway, it's a small gold producer. Mika Metals, so they just started mining. So yeah, that's fine. And Rand Mining, so they basically just got an interest in a Northern Star project, so they're not really a gold miner. All right, well I'll call that a wrap on Australia's most comprehensive regular Gold miners update. Unless you tell me there's another one out there. Alright, so